And for Charleston Battery, it's consistent involvement from the wide players. Dos Santos, Segbers will be instrumental in stretching Tormenta. Then in and around goal, it's going to be the blend of Rodriguez.
Charleston, black and yellow kits, white kits for Tormenta, and we are underway. Lamar Hunt U.S. Open Cup, it's the third round. Rodriguez, lovely ball ahead. Here comes Charleston, out is Pack, and he denies. It was Conway with the opportunity.
And I would believe that both these coaches see this game playing out how they thought it would. Tormenta knew that they were going to have to absorb some of the threat that Charleston Battery possess. What a play here.
Reed Stephen shoots off the rebound. Second chance, saved. Garner got there, but Vivas with the opportunity.
It's going to be something in put in and around Austin Pack right now.
Rodriguez on the delivery, back post, headed away. Looking for a second ball. Nice move, Allan takes a shot, it's in! Charleston leads!
Charleston Battery.
Chris Allan.
And it's his ability to shake off his first defender. They're gonna feel like there's plays out there to be made. What a drive here.
It's Tunbridge, the leading scorer, leaves it for Reed Stephen, trying to get a cross off. It's a penalty. Tormenta has a chance to equalize.
And it's the awareness by Reed Stephen, the ability.
Tormenta now into stoppage time with a penalty opportunity. Tunbridge, saved! Garner says no!
And just not struck with the power that you need to beat Christian Garner.
And now in transition, here's an opportunity for Charleston. Rodriguez moves it to his right, dish off, packs out, and a shot and a goal. Myers scores. MD Myers. Underway in the second half, Charleston Battery, South Georgia Tormenta. 110th edition of the Lamar Hunt Open Cup.
Defensive structure falter because of the numbers you're trying to commit forward, because you're trying to pull back a goal.
Drac goes for it, saved, second chance, yes! It's Myers. He cleans things up for Charleston. The Battery. Settled, shot, ripped, second chance, Charleston again! Myers! Another hat trick! For the second straight year, MD Myers. Another sub for Charleston, Vigo Ortiz. It's in his second season, takes out Myers, finishes with a hat trick, Myers.
But he has had those two that have spilled right into the running stride of MD Myers, who collects a hat trick tonight.